everyone, welcome to my series of Common Woman Uncommon Talks. Well, how are you all feeling? I know you would say we're doing good, thank you. But my question has something deeper to introspect about. Sometimes what we feel deeper within can be different from what we emote. Yes, today we're going to discuss about human emotions. Let's recollect some human emotions. How do you think you feel when you are in love? You feel like a flowing river, right? You feel so very calm, so very pleasant, so very happy, excited. This is definitely a pleasant feeling. Let's recollect how we feel when we are angry. You think you are shivering, your tummy might hurt, your head might become heavy, and your whole blood might rush into your cheeks. So, do you think your body and your mind is enjoying that emotion? No, definitely not. So, what do you think you can do in handling such emotions? So, do you think you can suppress them? Can you control them? Can you bottle them up? Or do you think you can predict certain situations which might make you angry and start avoiding them? Do you think it's practically possible? Definitely, you cannot fix all the situations around you and all the people around you. What we can fix is we can just fix ourselves. According to Zen philosophy, human emotions are like waves. If you try to stop one wave with another, you create an infinite sea, right? In the same way, if you try to stop one emotion with another, you will land up in trouble. So, emotions cannot be predicted nor be controlled. We can only observe them, accept them, and acknowledge them. And slowly, we have to learn how to manage them and live with them. People around us or situations around us are just stimuli, but we are generating that particular emotion from within. So, only we can help ourselves in handling it in a better way. So let's take a simple scenario. Like, for example, you were angry and you have thrown up your anger on somebody through words or through actions. So, what you should be doing? First thing, you have to isolate yourselves. First thing that you have to practice is a calming technique. Please close your eyes and just calm down so that your body mechanism will be back to normal and your heartbeat will slowly settle. So, till you are chemically balanced, your thoughts and your emotions cannot be under control. So, first thing is you have to just calm down. And second thing that you can do is try to identify the way you reacted and the trigger points, what made you to react certain way. After you analyze them, try to think of an alternative way. This will definitely help you to handle a similar situation well in future. There's no book on how you can manage or master your emotions. You just have to learn it through experience and through becoming conscious about your emotions. Slowly observe, understand, accept, and try to think on alternative behaviors. What you could have done in a different way when you were angry, how you could have converted that positive emotion, that negative emotion, into something little pleasant or positive. I tell you, friends, thoughts and emotions are very much connected. That's because thoughts and emotions follow each other. Sometimes, if you switch your thought, you can switch your emotion. It's a little difficult but not impossible. When you are angry, when you isolate yourselves, after you are settled, the next step that you can do is try to switch your thought. Most of us unknowingly we do that. We try to listen to music or we look into nature. We because that's in human we know the techniques of handling our emotions. We know it through our genes, through our DNA. So that's what we have to do. Instead of just remaining in the same unpleasant emotion, try to make it little pleasant. First start it with a neutral emotion and then try to make it a little more pleasant so that your emotion will definitely follow your thought. It might take a little time, but definitely if you're consistent, the emotion will follow your thought. So, friends, this is a very complex topic and it has got intricate connections with several other topics. I'll try to come up with a little more content in my next video. Until then, feel free and stay safe. Thanks a lot. See you again.